We're going to do a brief video on stocks, Carnival Cruise Stock Analysis. We've got a daily chart up here for you of Carnival Cruise, and we're going to take a quick look at this stock. We have a 5-day moving average, a 20-day moving average in red, 5 days in green, and the blue is a 200-day moving average. We'll go back here real quick to about October 6, 2021. Stock entered a bear market defined by major movement below the 200-day moving average, and you can see we had a serious sell-off into December of 21. The stock went sideways and eventually ran into the rallied a little bit and ran into the 200-day moving average this February of 2022 and promptly sold right off real quick. Rallied up again to the 200 in April and promptly sold off again real quick and put in a low here. Looks like June 30th at about $8.10. It's been going sideways ever since, oscillating roughly around a price level of about $10. And we can see that the 200-day is still significantly away from price. Price is about 11.16 on its top of this little sideways movement, about 11.16 here most recently, and then your 200-day right now is about 15. So that's a significant move for this stock, almost 50%, 40%. So we are still in deep bear market territory on this stock. You can see that the stock has been making some higher highs here and higher highs here and higher lows here, and then all of a sudden we had a breakdown. So we had trying to get out of this bear market here, and then we had people losing faith and distributing. So we have now lower highs and lower lows. So it's clearly some distributing going on in here between the middle of August and early September. We had another rally up here, but it failed to penetrate the August 16th highs, and we have a collapse of the price, if you want to call it that. It's trading range, moving down towards the bottom of its trading range. So we have a flat 20-day, an inconsequential 5-day, because you can't really use it in a sideways market like this, and we have a 200-day that's too far away. So the moving averages aren't going to tell us a whole lot here. This is a trading range stock. Could it break down and violate these June 30th lows of $8.10? Yeah, absolutely could, but I mean, there's no way to predict that right this second. It's in a trading range, so let's go down and take a look and see what RBAM Research says about it. RBAM Research puts out algorithmically generated entry prices for 190 plus stocks every Monday through Friday morning before 7 a.m. These are out for today, the 21st. They have 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods, and they're buys only. And the way this works is you buy today, assuming your own analysis says it's worth doing, and you close out at the end of the next trading day, the end of the next 5 trading days, and in the next 20 days, depending on which column you've selected. So let's go down here and check Carnival out. Carnival's listed today as a buy. 1 day is $10.05, 5 day is $10.19, 20 days is $10.34. So let's see what's going on. See if we, for entertainment purposes only, are in the range here. Looks like the low today is $9.77 and the high is $10.36. So $9.77 and $10.36. So it hit all these, and you had a shot at making some money today because it hit all of those. We'd have to take a look and see how it progressed, but currently it's at $10 and a penny. So it's you might still be underwater if you'd have gone on any of these. We'd have to take a look at it closer, but it is it has triggered these today. Again, these are for entertainment purposes only. You have to use your own analysis. Can't use these for anything other than entertainment. But it is has triggered these buy prices on the RBAM algorithms today. We cover, again, 190 stocks. You can get all these every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. And absolutely no cost, no credit card required. We cover 190 stocks, as I just showed you. We cover the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Again, rbamresearch.com, link in the description below. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required. I think this stock's probably going to go sideways a little bit longer, but it's hard to tell. You just want to keep an eye on it and be careful for any major developments, especially in the cruise line industry, because it's not a good situation if you don't keep your eye on it. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. Please leave us a comment on what you think about moving averages in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here, including my analysis and all of the entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. Can't use any of it for anything other than entertainment. You should do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.